Selling on Facebook Marketplace is a user-friendly way to reach potential buyers in your local area. Here's a beginner guide. Access Marketplace. On the Facebook app or website, click the Marketplace icon in the menu bar. List your item. Click on Sell Something and choose the type of item you're selling. Add details. Fill out the listing details, including title, price, location, category, description, and photos. Be thorough and honest in your descriptions. Set your price. Consider researching similar items on Marketplace to price yours competitively. You can choose a fixed price or allow negotiation. Choose visibility. Decide whether you want to list the item publicly or within specific buy or sell groups. Review and post. Carefully review your listing and click post to make it live. Your listing will be visible to users in your local area. Respond to inquiries. When potential buyers contact you through Messenger, respond promptly and provide any additional information they need. Negotiate and finalize. If a buyer is interested, negotiate the terms and arrange a safe meeting place for the exchange. Be cautious when sharing personal information. Complete the sale. After the sale, mark your item as sold on Marketplace. Collect payment. Collect payment in person in cash or via a secure method like PayPal if preferred by the buyer.